Hello friends, welcome in this new video. So today in this video we will see how to install mongoDB and how to configure mongoDB with the all error solving. So we'll come on the Google Chrome and we will search here for mongoDB download, and let's click on the first link, mongoDB community server download. So this is the first link, and it will redirect us on the download page, and we'll scroll and we will see at the bottom there's a tab. Yeah, yeah, here is in the green button that download, and it's a one click download. We will yeah, we will give it allow that. Let's download the mongodb. I'm first time downloading this. Well, let me check the errors which will be occurring. So it's 485 MB file. Yeah, now it have downloaded. So it has successfully downloaded, and we will allow it. So let me make it run. Yes, this is the first installation error which is occurring in our desktop or laptop. The installation package could not be opened, verifying that package exists. That I have never installed it, but it also again says me that it is existing in your PC. So I don't know what is the error, and I will come in the downloads here and I will double click here. Yeah, here it is not showing the error. Preparing to install. Let me make it to install, and it will take some time. Yeah, here we will click on the next. Yeah, here I will accept the license agreement, and here we will take, here are the two tab, custom and complete. I will make the complete, and it will give us the auto configured. Let me run it on the network server. We can run it also on the local or domain user, but I think it will be best to run at the network server. So here we can provide the service name also, mongodb, and what you are wishing, that name you can proceed here. And let me click on the next and again next and install. So let me say you that it will take near about 40 minutes it will take, and automatically this pop-up will be beginning on your screen, and it will show us the welcome to Compass. So let me click on the start, and it will take me here. Yeah, now the application have been installed, and it will redirect create an shortcut in the desktop screen also. So that was the mongodb download, and now let me download a shell for mongodb, and I have typed here mongodb shell, and the first click I have clicked, and it will also redirect me on that download tab. So it had redirected me. So here I will click on the download, and it will it's a zip file. So I am using Windows 64-bit. You can change it here all. I will download it. So let me download it. It is 33 MB file, it's not larger file, and I have to extract it in a folder that will be created, a separate folder in C drive. So let me show you the all process. So yeah, now I will check the downloaded file. So it's in the downloads. Yeah, here is the zip file of mongodb shell. So let me go in the C drive, and in the C drive I will be creating a new folder. Yeah, you have to do same steps for this. So I will create a new folder and name it as mongodbsh. mongosh, yeah, mongosh I will name it. Sh means shell. So let me keep the shell file and extract. I will extract all, and I will browse here the location which I have created, new location. Yeah, here is in the C drive. In C drive, in the first page, I have created the mongosh, and I will extract it here, and I will select it. So it will extract all the files in that file. So this work is also done complete. So now what we have to do, we have to add now the path, both the two paths, mongodb and mongosh, both the paths we have to add. So first we will go in the program files. Let me go in the C drive, and MongoDB will be created automatically file and in the server, and 60 bin. It will be automatically created whenever we are installing the application. And we will, up to bin, we will copy this path by double clicking on it. By Ctrl C, we will copy it, and let me search here environmental variables. So EnV, by typing EnV it will give. Yeah, now here are the two type of path adding specifications. We can here, if it is getting you in your laptop or in your desktop system in system variables, and is this new edit and delete is allowing you to edit it. So we will make it edit, but in my case it is not making to edit it, and I'm going in the user variables and selecting the path. So same you have to do in the system variable if it's allowing you. So no need to worry, I will show you. It will work in the user variable also. So in my case I'm making edit, and here I will make new, and after creating a new I will paste it. Yeah, okay, and again okay. So now moving again, this was the mongodb path. Now let me copy this shell path also, which I had created the file mongosh in the first page of C drive. Mongosh, inside the mongosh bin, up to bin we have to copy the path again, and this is the shell path. So I will again search it environmental variables, and I will, sorry, it is the next tab. Yeah, I will again search it environmental EnV, and I will again open it, and I will again edit it. So we have to make it here hello. Yeah, I will make it okay. It is a pop-up from user variables, so in which I am editing it. I will make it okay, and I will again edit path. I will click on the path and I will edit it again. Same process, and I will make it new here, and after creating a new I will paste it again. Okay, and again okay. Yeah, now the both the two paths are been added in the environmental variables. Now let me go in the CMD and check whether it's installed successfully or not. So I will type here mongodb. So I have typed here mongodb. Sorry, db is not here. I will type here mongodb space and a version. It will show me whether it has installed or not. Again I'm going to type here mongodb and I'm making enter. Yeah, here is the error. Now this is the again another error which we have to solve. So this type of output is being given by the CMD during installation. So what we have to do and how to solve it, I will show you. Yeah, this is a huge amount of error, you can see here. So what we will do, we will go in the C drive again. Yeah, I will go into C drive, and we have to create here a file, and I'm going to new and create a folder name as data, and yeah, I will make it enter, and inside the data file I have to create another file. Yeah, inside the data file I will create another file which is db. Okay, so let me make it enter and cut it. So here I will again type in the command prompt cmd. I will again type here mongodb, and yeah, now it is not showing the huge error. So now everything is working, network, storage, index, everything is working successfully. So I will cut it here. Yeah, I will cut it here, and I will go to the shell. Yeah, I can show you here the whether it is running or not. We can go in the search tab and we can search here their service. So we will search here which services are running in our PC. So we will go for mongodb search. Yeah, it's the extra part. which you can check. Yeah, here we can see that mongodb server is running automatically in the active mode it is. So let me cut it. Now what we will do, we will come in this PC, C drive, and shell mongo sh. Now we will open the mongo sh, and again sh, and again in the bin. Yeah, and now the mongo sh file is here successfully installed, and we will double click on it, and it will provide us the shell prompt. That shell will be of mongodb. Yeah, now here I will make here enter. We have to simply type here, and yeah, click on the enter button. So it will show me the pop-up whether it has installed or not, whether it is working or not. Everything will be here shown. So let me click here on the enter. The default mongodb localhost. Yeah, I have clicked on the enter, and you can see here it will give me the localhost IP address on which it will be running, and the port number also it will be providing. So using mongodb, the version is 0.1.8, and mongodb 127.0.0.1, and the port number is also, but this is the by default port number 27017. So it's providing us the by default port number that is best for us. So you can see here that test user has been created automatically. So let me type a command here. I will show you it's working or not successfully. Yeah, I'll type here show dbs. So it will show me the database here, admin, config, and local, or the three databases created by default in this mongodb. And by use we will enter in the next database that will be created here. So I will type here sc corner. So sorry for it. Yeah, I have typed here sc corner. So it had created a new user, and there are some commands which can by which we can make enter some data in this sc corner. So use command is used to create new users. So this was all about it, and I will also show you how to run it on the Google Chrome. We will copy that mongodb 127 dot with a port number and come in the Google Chrome, and make it here in the URL and paste it, and it will automatically, we have to allow it here, and it will automatically open the application which is being created on the desktop screen. So here we can see the database has successfully arrived, and we will search here. Let me search here which I had created. And at the back end of this video I have created a student. Sorry, I'm searching for my name. So student, yeah, students is the database. Yeah, this students table I had created here. You can see here I had made an entry also, roll number my one, and name. This everything we had entered there. So I hope you have successfully got this video. So if you have got this video, so for that, be sure like, share, and subscribe.